Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about chapter 29 from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture, that is fish physiology. I have written all the important points that could be framed as a question, and thus it's very useful for a JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, fish species occupy half of the present vertebrate population. Gastric fishes are those fishes in which stomach is present. For example, salmonids, catfishes, eels, tilapia, grouper, barramundi, etc. Agastric fishes are those fishes in which stomach is absent. For example, carps. Alimentary canal is divided into two parts, cough dam and rum dam. Cough dam consists of mouth, buccal cavity and pharynx. Pre-digestive activity takes place in cough dam, that is selection, seizure and orientation. Buccal teeth helps in food capturing and holding. No tearing of prey takes place through buccal teeth except in case of piranha. Then carps have pharyngeal teeth that are involved in filter feeding mechanism. Filter feeding mechanism involves filtering apparatus. Filtering apparatus consists of gill rakers of selected gill arches that act as a fine sieve-like materials. For example, silver carp and bighead carp, they have filter feeding mechanism. Basement membrane of buccal cavity is lined with stratified epithelial cells that contain mucous cells and taste receptor. Then coming to rum dam, they have esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, pyloric caeca and accessory organs. Esophagus are short, wide muscular tube, commonly known as gullet. Basement lined with stratified epithelial cells, club cells, taste bud, mucus cells. They have longitudinal and circular muscles. Food storage plus digestion and mucus secretion is a common function of esophagus. Then coming to stomach, this consists of several layers that are serous membrane, muscularis, longitudinal muscle layer, circular muscle, mucosa. Further subdivided into submucosa, muscularis mucosa, stratum compactum, lamina propria and mucosal epithelium. Two regions in which stomach is divided are anterior region and pyloric region. Gizzards are found in mucilidae, that is mullets. Then coming to intestine, it is lined by columnar epithelium and also consists of villi as well as microvilli. Villi and microvilli functions to increase the surface area and they help in absorption. Then it also consists of goblet cells. Anterior section of intestine consists of chylomicrons that are involved in bile and pancreatic juice secretion. The distal portion is involved in penocytic activity. RGL full form is relative gut length, that is length of digestive tract to the body length. Herbivorous have longer digestive tract and have larger relative gut length, that is omnivorous 0.2 to 2.5, carnivorous 0.6 to 8, herbivorous 0.8 to 15. It is the mark of relative gut length. Then rainbow trout is carnivore, carps are omnivore, catfish are omnivore and milkfish are microphagous and planktivores. Then coming to rectum, it is the distal part of intestine, consists of goblet cell plus granulocytes. Pyloric caeca, also known as intestinal caeca, it consists of cilia. Then accessory organ, it involves liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Liver and pancreas are fused together and are known as hepatopancreas. Consist of polyhedral hepatic cells. Secretory acini composed of cuboidal exocrine cells with zymogen granules. Then gallbladder is a sac-like structure in between intestine and right lobe of liver. Vertebrate alimentary canal consists of two lines of cells that are enterochromaffin cells, argentaphin and enterochromaffin-like cells, they are agyrophils. AUPD full form or APUD full form is amine precursor, uptake and decarboxylation. GEP full form is gastroenteropancreatic cell. Then coming to gastric secretion, in general it is acidic gastric fluid secretion, but in agastric fishes, for example myxinomoids, chimeroids, teleost, these are exception. Then large amount of gastric fluid is found in elasmobranch. Pancreatic secretion mostly zymogen. Pepsin is endopeptidase. Proteases includes trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase and elastase. These are stored in pancreatic cell. Trypsinogen is converted to trypsin by the help of enterokinase. Trypsin is formed by removal of hexapeptide from trypsinogen, that is hydrolysis of lysine and isoleucine bond. Alkaline RNase and phosphodiesterase found in intestinal caeca of rainbow trout. Gut of coral fish consists of carbonic anhydrase that are involved in calcium carbonate ingestion. Then coming to digestion and absorption, so it starts from mouth by carbohydrate digestion, that is done by amylase. Sucrose converted to glucose plus fructose, maltose glucose plus glucose, lactose glucose plus galactose. In goldfish, it's seen active transport of glucose coupled with sodium transport. Digestion of protein starts in stomach in gastric species. Lipid, these are small intestine, is primary site for fat digestion. Then fat is converted to monoglyceride plus fatty acid by the help of lipase. Lipase breaks first and third ester bonds. Bile acid plus lecithin emulsify fat. Intestinal mucosal cells are also known as enterocytes. Chylomicrons, that is lipoprotein made by intestines, and they are involved in carrying triglyceride plus cholesterol with protein rich cells made up of phospholipids. Evacuation rate of stomach changes in proportion to 10 to the power 0.035 to the power of T, that is T denotes change in temperature in degrees Celsius. Then digestive physiology of shellfish. First of all, digestive tract divided into 5 parts: mouth, oesophagus, stomach, hepatopancreas, midgut and hindgut. In young larvae, antennae, antenules and mandibles are used for primarily swimming. Esophagus are wall of anterior or posterior part of tract covered by thin layer of chitin. Its cross section is X-shaped. Then coming to stomach, during larval development, these are hard structures consist of bristles, spines and brushes present on internal wall of stomach that acts like a gastric meal. Then hepatopancreas, these are massive organ made up of 2 symmetrical lobes situated in dorsal part of the body. Consist of 4 cells F, B, M and R, and these are found in the hepatopancreas regions. F is for secreting enzymes, B is for site of endocytosis, R is for containing lipid and glycosal, calcium and zinc. Hindgut helps in ionocoagulation. Then coming to digestive enzymes that are found in shellfishes that helps in their digestion process. So first of all, pepsin never present among proteases. Then trypsin synthesized in large quantities in case of shellfishes. Astacine is a metalloprotease. This is a line from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture that astacine is a metalloprotease. In lobster, main proteolytic activity is due to cathepsins. Cellulases actively found in wood-boring crustaceans. No bile salts in crustaceans. Then gastrin produced by enteroendocrine cells of stomach mucosa for hydrochloric acids. Then secretin by duodenal mucosa, it stimulates bicarbonate secretion, and full form for GIP is gastric inhibitory peptide. Okay, so that's all for this. In this we discussed about the digestive physiology of fin fishes as well as shellfishes. We will continue this again with excretory physiology. Okay, so that will be uploaded soon. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.